Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply set up audio and video settings in Google Meet. So what you want to do is go here to settings, right here next to this Google whatever, settings, and you're gonna see like the microphone is blocked and speakers are blocked. So the first thing I need to do, I need to allow everything, right? So it's allowed right here. Now again, settings. I'll refresh the page first. Nice. And now as you can see, microphone, I can choose which one I want. And then speakers, again, I can choose it. Then you can like the test here. Okay, I don't want to test it that much. So it's working. And also as you can see, the button, like the next to the thing, mic is working too. Then we get like the video here that you can see right. Hey there, you can see me. And then you get like general settings that you don't need to care about. So this is how you do it, and this is how you simply do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.